You read the title. Let's shorten this dress shirt while maintaining the ability to wear it untucked. That's long enough of an intro. Let's go. We're gonna take off 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters from this shirt. So turn your shirt inside out. And then what do? Do we just grab a ruler and measure from the bottom straight up? No, don't do that. Since it's curved, you wanna measure up from the curves instead. So line your ruler straight up with each major curve change and mark there. And instead of 1 inch evenly, I'm gonna be doing 3/4 of an inch or 1.9 centimeters since we're gonna roll that hem up like the big timers. Cause you know, we wanna wear it with some gator boots and some Gucci shoes.
I think you should subscribe.
Use a fabric marker or some chalk to mark that spot too. When you connect the dots, it's gonna be tempting to kind of make curves with that marker. Don't do that. Make straight lines between each point that you made so it ends up looking more like a constellation. Libra, baby. I dated a girl who was into astrology in high school. She was interesting and not in a good way. Take your shirt and then fold it at those points in the line that you made and then put a sewing pin in it to stop it from getting all shifty on you. Put a pin every inch or 2.5 centimeters or so and see how our shirt is curling at the top? That's a good thing. We want that. If your shirt looks like straight up hot garbage like mine does, that means you did it right. I know, it's weird, but we're putting a curve in something that wants to be straight, kind of like my life plans, so something has to give, i.e., well, our shirt. Head on over to that sewing machine and sew a straight stitch about 1/4 of an inch away from the edge. And we're gonna use a stronger needle. We're gonna use a denim needle for this because our hem is gonna end up being thicker than a Snickers, so we wanna make sure that needle can handle it. As you sew, you want that stitch to be straight while your dress shirt curves at the top. If it does, that's good. All right, this is what we got. Still a work in progress, but man, wait for the end result. Cut off the fabric on the inside of your shirt as close to that stitch as you can. Be careful not to cut through the stitch itself, but if you do, don't panic. It's not gonna ruin the project or anything. Now roll your hem back on itself 1 time and put some more sewing pins in there. Sew another straight stitch on top of the stitch that we just made or as close as you can get it. It's tricky since it's so small, so you're gonna waver a little bit and that's totally okay. Got a nice shortened dress shirt with a curved hem just like that. I had some wandering hands right here, but that's okay, it happens. Nobody's perfect. Let's go learn how to blind hem some dress pants, okay? Click that video right there. SD out. See ya.